Here are my carry-on bag packing favorites. I have made a list of essentials for travel that are going to help you. We only travel with a carry-on suitcase that includes must-have organizers to provide extra space in our bags, as well as order with our necessities. Now, I am going to share a ton of travel tips throughout this packing video, so you may want to grab a journal because it is a lot. The Tripped brand is sponsoring this video because 3 of their items are on my favorites list. By the end of this video, your carry-on bags are going to be even more organized. But being organized is not the goal of this video. I want to prove to you why these essentials are my favorites. Why are these favorites an essential for travel? My main goal is to save you space, but I also want to help save you time. If you are new here, I am a pilot wife and I share tips to help you travel the globe without a worry in the world. Click the bell beside subscribe so you'll never miss my free travel tip video. My newest packing essential is a phone prop for the tray table inside the airplane. This is a very secure item designed by a flight attendant that can mold to whatever shape you need for your technology. It also would hold pads, like it's that strong. One of the best features of this is that it can be packed flat inside your personal item bag for when you get on the airplane. These Tripped compression cubes are what I must travel with now. The 2 large cubes in the 6-piece set go on the bottom of my carry-on suitcase, and then I can stack any other cubes or pouches on top of that. You can organize travel outfits into each cube. You can pack a cube for each family member or let your child pack his own cube. A travel tip for your hotel is to just place your cubes inside the drawers and then pull out the outfit pieces as you need them. Remember from my old video that I will link in the description box for you and in the little cards up here that the Tripped brand is the brand that I chose because they give you 2 large cubes inside that 6-piece set. So you get a lot for your money. The cubes come in several different colors in case this cute little scenery pack is not your style. Now, compression cubes are great because they compress the air between your clothes, and then you have a whole lot of space left in your suitcase for more travel items. When you're ready to pack your clothes, the first step is to fold them and put them inside each cube, and then zip one of the zippers. Then you zip the second zipper, which goes almost all the way around, compressing everything magically, kind of like Spanx for your carry-on bags. Another packing favorite is a crossbody bag. I like this one because it comes in like 11 colors, but it can look dressy or casual. And I can pack 2 eyeglass cases in there, my wallet, my car key, and a peep. A peep cleans my sunglasses and eyeglasses and is great. I now have one for my travel bag and I keep one in my purse. I learned this summer on our trip to Hawaii to pack a lens wipe for when you get suntan lotion or regular lotion on your glasses. I recommend the iCloth brand. Another favorite is my thin RFID wallet. It's got just enough slots for my cards that I need on vacation and can easily be packed wherever I need it to be. I recently bought a crossbody bag that's kind of like for a different country because it's RFID. No, it is, but I don't really worry about that. But it is slash proof, and I'm fine with the bag being slash proof, but I love that the strap is slash proof, and hoping to travel to a different country soon. We'll see. And the inside isn't a super dark color. It's purple. How fun is that? Okay, let's talk about toiletry bags. You know that my travel tip is to pack your liquid containers horizontally to help you have more space in that bag. Well, I am so excited to show you this new liquids bag that I have. Y'all, the best feature is that it sits on its own when you are trying to pack it. This bag is the same size as mine that has been discontinued for years. I compared the 2 bags for space, and my liquid containers in this bag fill up only half or a little more than half of this bag. I think it's because the base is so wide in this liquids bag. It was very important to me that this plastic is not a rough and stiff plastic. It's very soft and moldable, which means it can smush and squish. This handle feature that they have is great for when you're in a hotel room and you need to hang a bag on a doorknob or something, but here's my travel tip. When you are going through airport security, this handle is great when you have to pull out that liquids bag. Having a a little handle on there as well is going to help speed you through airport security. Another travel tip that I have started doing is I move my liquids bag from my personal item bag into my suitcase once I have gone through security. That liquids bag is included in a 3-piece toiletry kit. My travel tip is to, once you've packed your bag, to flatten your toiletry kit and pack it flat instead of being folded. But the high quality feature that I love about this toiletry kit is that it is easily moldable and squishable when you need to fit it in a space inside your carry-on suitcase. Another way is to then pack your toiletry kit inside your personal item bag for that comb that you need before you land, or the last minute makeup. And here is a secret feature of this toiletry kit, okay? This pocket, when you reach in it like this in your airplane seat, actually goes into this pocket. So it's like a secret entrance into your toiletry kit without having to open up everything. You can see how I organized my toiletries in these 7 pockets. The bottom pocket is divided. And I like also that this mesh is see-through. I didn't know it was see-through, but it's super soft too, which makes a difference to me. It just means that something is more quality. I want to take a break and make sure y'all know that I would only promote a travel gear item if I loved it. And this couple who owns the Tripped brand, they're YouTubers and they are frequent travelers. They have been flying and you can tell by all of the brilliant ideas. So please hear me loving you in a trustworthy way with my travel tips. Here is a brand new travel tip that I thought for some of you to give you a visual when you are packing. With a hanging toiletry kit or pouches, you're going to organize your toiletries into when you will need them most. Like at night, I'm going to pack first in this pouch. I'm going to pack my face wipes, my cleanser wipes, my hair accessories because I'm going to pull my hair back to wash my face. And then I'm going to move on to teeth, to brush my teeth. I've got my floss sticks, toothbrush. And then I'm going to move down here and pack my makeup in this first pouch because that's what I can get to mid-flight. These straps in the back are going to help keep the shape of your items when you have packed it full of your toiletries. But here's my challenge to you. I want to know from you, what can you pack in these outer straps when you have packed your carry-on bags? What would fit under there? I want one of you to be very creative, and I'll mention you on my Instagram page, Travel Tips by Laurie, for your creative idea. What makes a bag a favorite to me is that I can use it for more than one thing. And I don't like how stiff this plastic is for this detachable little pouch. So I'm going to pack that in my carry-on suitcase or just not use it. It's customizable to my need. And then a third item that comes with this toiletry kit, I've got the liquids bag, and then this long bag. You can pack a bunch of socks or your undies. You can pack extension cords, any long items that you have. Even all of your medicines can fit in there. Your electronic cords could just be thrown in there. More travel essentials for my carry-on bag favorites list are pouches. You can use free pouches that you've gotten from a subscription or even plastic baggies. I love my makeup brush pouch because it sits on the countertop and I can fit all of my brushes in there. I have 2 of them and I used the other one on our last Royal Caribbean cruise ship trip before everybody started hoarding toilet paper. The Tripped brand even has premium compression packing cubes for your checked suitcase. There is a slot on the back of your premium cubes that you can pack shoes or dirty clothes. So it's a 2-in-1 product for travel. I packed in 1 premium cube for a weekend trip. I had a pair of shorts, 3 shirts, 3 undies, 2 socks, and a swimsuit in this cube with even more space still available. I packed my shoes in that outer pocket, like I said, and here is another great feature. Look at that. When you get to your vacation spot, you can just use these little tabs that they sewed on there and just open it up that quick. I love it. And for my friends on this channel who are even more organized, you will appreciate the labels that come with the premium cubes. You unzip it just a little bit and you insert the little label there, but on the back, you can also write in a more customized way who the cube is for or what items you have in those cubes. Just a couple of years ago, I started packing my shoes in a shoe bag. You can use a grocery bag, a newspaper bag. This comes in my set of compression packing cubes, but you can also use a bag like that for dirty laundry. All of their fabrics are ultra lightweight, and it feels like that parachute fabric that you used to throw kids up in. Is anybody allowed to do that anymore? I have a minimal amount of cords usually when I travel, so this roll-up tech bag organizer is fine for my few items that I have, but look at this organized tech bag. The main reason I would want it, and my husband, who is a pilot, would want it, is that the zippers go just under the edges of the bag, which means you can open it even more wide or wider. And big hands can get down into each section. They have so many pockets for your items. Your iPad charger, a watch charger, and all the cords. And see how my little power bank, it stands all the way up in there. If I am traveling with my laptop, I will need that charger because it is so bulky versus my little flat one. My husband is a naturally organized and calm person, but that's what you want in a pilot, right? But this is now going to be his tech organizer bag. Another travel tip is to remember that you do not have to pack travel organizers in a horizontal way. They can also be packed vertically, like I did with this roll-up pouch. I will pack it vertically sometimes. You may think that, oh, I need to stack them like this, but you can also stack them vertically, unless it is a liquids container, and those need to be packed horizontally to save space. If you're trying to decide between a tote bag and a backpack, I do have a video telling you what features to look for in both, and I do travel with both type of bags. The Transportation Security Administration just came out and said that masks in airports and airplanes will be extended through the middle of January, so I'm going to have to pack my mask travel case again. If you need a mask that does not fog up your reading glasses, I have a mask lady and I will link her information below for you. Another packing essential favorite is the Go-To brand by Human Gear shampoo containers. They do not leak. They have a double locking system. And they come in different sizes as well. Do not use an off-brand for that type of liquid. You can use those tiny containers, but just make sure the liquid is super thick. If you need the basic TSA rules, I'll be sure to link a video for you down below. Also on my favorites list is at least one pair of shoes that can get wet, either in the summertime or in the wintertime. These short booties have a water repellent thing. They're both Eco brand. A travel hack is to pack an outfit in the base of your backpack. If you are traveling to somewhere cold, you can pack this huge sweater in a smaller compression cube, saving you space, and if you get cold in the airport like I did. One other favorite that I just keep in my personal item bag is a nail file travel case. I know you can use an old toothbrush container, but I like this one. So I have one here and in my purse. Oh yes, sir. Oh yes, sir. You're keeping us safe, aren't you? Okay, it's time to stop barking. If you do want to watch my most asked travel tip questions video, I will be sure to link it for you. You just find the description box by clicking the upside down triangle or the words show more. I hope all of your bags get to be packed full of your favorites because that means you are still going on your trip. Let me know if you're going to another country and which one you're going to. Please say hey if we have not met yet, and thank you for all this time you gave to this video. I hope they help.